Listen, you don't just play the role, you live it. I've cried, I've bled, I've laughed louder and broken harder than anyone on that set. Listen, you don't just play the role, Ted, you live it. I've cried, I've bled, I've laughed louder and broken harder than anyone on that set.
We're live from the heart of the protest. Sir, tell us, what did you see?
They charged without warning. We were just standing there. Then boom, gas and flashbangs.
Excuse me, do you think it's acceptable to ignore the weather today?
I guess it's kind of windy.
Ash to oath, flame to blade.
Okay, this is it. I don't think I'm gonna make it. This isn't about saving anyone.
I know. It never was.
You never know when one decision will change everything.
They're gaining! They're coming!
Morning, folks. Welcome back to Bigfoot's Wild Walks.
Woohoo! We make camp aesthetic.
Subscriber shout out. This one's for Randy. See y'all next time. Stay wild.
Pro tip, always sniff the wind first.
We shouldn't have taken this route. Something's off.
You always say that when you're lost.
Day 3. No snow, lots of bugs. Blogging continues.
If anyone finds this, don't come here. It's not safe.